Alright guys, here's another little project that I've done, and essentially what this is, as you can tell, I'm not doing any advertisements here, it's just a basic inverter. I've put a meter on it so I can see the battery, on and off switch, and I'm utilizing some 26650s on this one, and I've got 9 to make pretty much a 11 amp hour battery, 10.5 amp hours, and it's got two charge ports and a AC input. This is a modified sine wave, not a pure sine wave. Good for charging laptops and running basic things. And here's our charge port. Good thing about these batteries compared to your standard 18650s, not only is the size significantly different, these ones actually come with a charge circuit already inside. So when you look here, there it is. These come with a battery overcharge and discharge protection circuit. And that actually comes in pretty good. I just went ahead and put all these in parallel in series to make 12 volts, and they balance themselves out pretty well. So turn that on. It's at 11.9 right now, and put some LEDs underneath of it. Whoops, don't want to show the bottom of that, but that's it right there. So what you can do with that, basically, if you needed to run a light, for instance, here, I'll just grab something here in the shop. Standard shopping or standard bulb. Yes, it is an LED, 800 lumens, it's only 8.5 watts. 8.5 watts. But I've been on this thing all night long. So, basic stuff like that. It'll also run the soldering iron as well if you wanted it to, which is right here. And, go ahead and put a charge on there. Let me pull this out. Go ahead and put an extension on there. Turn the light back on. That is essentially this big old clump of wire right here. So we're going to go ahead right now. It's not hot, as you can tell. I am touching it. The glue is hard as a rock. Can't get it off right now. But she's plugged into that. As you can tell, the voltage dropped as soon as it came on. But we'll go ahead and do a little bit of tinkering with that while this is still on. So put the bulb over here. Get it out of the way so it's not shining in everybody's eyes. Use the soldering iron. And we can also charge some stuff if we wanted to as well. That's what the USB charge ports are for. So right now, we'll just say this is at 5%, and go ahead and grab a charger from that. Put that in here as well. Go ahead and start charging this as well. these in, 5 volts, and we'll let that charge while we're doing our stuff. And I also have a charge lead. It's coming in from solar panel. That's what this is. That ties into this right here when I want to charge it. So, essentially, that's what I'm going to make my power wall out of. Are these 26 650s. Basically because they already come with a protection circuit. These ones are rated at 35 milliamp hours. I truly believe they are. And but the ones that I'm getting are 5,000 milliamp hours. And at a discharge of 10 amps, within 15 minutes it pulls out 54 milliamp hours, and within 15 minutes of a discharge rate. So I'm having those shipped here next week, and I'll make a video on those. So I'll just go ahead and let this keep getting hot. Make sure it's on high temp, because we got low temp, high temp. She's on high temp, so that's low, voltage goes up, and that's high temp, voltage went down. So we'll let that continue to get hot, make some goo. But I've done some tests on this, and it ran for about 6-7 hours with the load of the bulb, charging, keeping a tablet charged, a phone charged, running my little solar thing that I have over there whenever it gets low at the end of the night. And it keeps running until about 4 in the morning, from dark till about 4. So that's more than enough runtime. And as you can see, the voltage is spiking in this one. It's coming on up. I made sure it was dead when we started this. So that way you can see the voltage drop on that. It's bare minimum. Keep in mind that wasn't charged when we started. I believe it was at 11.8, 11.9. So full charge is at 12.6. Some goop on and everything. Yeah. See, now she's a little, I don't want to touch it now. A little warm now. But, yeah. As you can tell, it's definitely gooey. And there's our hot glue. Stick that onto something. All in all, hot glue gun. Light. Now we pull the hot glue gun off, our voltages should spike back up a little bit. Yeah. they can run basic things under 120 volts. Let's see, here's a charge another battery. Alright, once again, this is not no sponsorship, but let's say I need to charge a battery. Okay, let's put it this way. Let's see how low this battery is. Where are we at? That one's a full charge. Alright, give me a minute. I'll go grab the other one. But we'll put this one on for now. See if it charges something. Oh, it's full charge. Oh no. I'm gonna go get another one. See where this one's at. And there she goes. You can tell it's charged. But just a basic overview of something simple that can be made. It can be charged simply with a 12-volt panel. That's all I'm using is the panel that I made to charge it. And essentially is what I want to do is create more of these. Which are just sun-power solar cells, which everybody's seen. 3 tabs on the back. And all this is right here is Scotch thermal film. Okay, laminate pouches. And then you give yourself. So now I have a flexible panel. Okay, and I'm going to put them all in series, in parallel, but make a foldable solar panel. So they will all interlock, looking something like this. Something like this. So that way they can fold up, thin, bendable. You gotta worry about them breaking. They still work. But essentially that's what I'll be making my panel, a portable panel with. So that way I know I got bubbles in it, yada yada yada. These are just tests, trust me. I already know I need to put a vacuum on. But essentially, you guys got the idea here. And that will eventually charge this. I'll have a small little pack made out of these right here. That'll be foldable like these ones. So that way, and this is not your typical 3M tape, as you can tell. It is, not exactly sure. I know it's AC. But that's all it is, 3M tape. But it's not your tinfoil tape. This is your tinfoil tape with the backing on it. You know, that's a pain in the butt. That's your tinfoil foil tape. It tears real easy. So, crap. Well, I don't know what 3M did with this one, but it's got fiber running inside of it as well. Reinforce it. Kind of looks like nylon stripping. Polyester stripping. I'm not sure what that is. Most likely nylon fibers. I don't know if the camera will pick them up. See the nylon? Yep, there they are. The nylon fibers within it. But this isn't like. This is that UFO shit, man. It's that UFO stuff, bro. This shit was at Roswell, man. Look at it. I found it. That's what the UFO Roswell was made. Fucking 3M, bitch. Oh shit. Oh, look at it. The best damn tinfoil I ever seen. Goes right back where. And I mean, that shit is still sticky. But I mean, that's what the Roswell crash was made out of, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. Case solved. 3M built that bitch. So anyhow, you guys got the logistics of it. Keep in mind, this is charging another lithium-ion pack, so yeah, it's going to bog it down. But so there's that. I don't know what else to throw in here, guys. I just consistently make stupid shit. Here's a charger that I've made. Yeah, bring this over, and we'll get that interface over here, if it will let me. But basically, this is just a DC charger that I built from a PC laptop. Put some plexiglass on it. It's got a boost converter there. I got another boost buck converter there that I haven't got because I'm waiting for potentiometers and a couple more peg leg jacks to put into them. I can't think of all these names off the top of my head sometimes. But so that way I can keep my basic things charged. But I just bent the bottom plate down, give me a little bit more strength, made a plexiglass seal. The reason this isn't put on yet is, once again, it's not finished. But you turn it on. Let's see. But we're gonna adjust our voltages up wherever we need them, all the way up to 30 volts, 33 volts. It'll only go down to what the lab power supply is, 11.6. And anyhow, I like it right about 12.9. Basically, there's that. That right there is the charge cable that comes into my panel that I showed you earlier. It comes in to this. Oops, I hit it. So anyhow, that's it. Just thought I'd give you guys an update on everything that's been going on. Alright? Have a good one. Peace out.